Oh, the Easter Bunny came.
Look at that. The Easter Bunny came. Oh.
Mana should know what to do with those eggs.
Yeah. Come on, Mana. Get your Easter eggs out. No?
Oops. There, Mana knows what to do with eggs. She's done this before. And Bradley's still the Muramura. He only knows how to eat whatever Mana opens up. There she goes. She opened another one. Come on, Bradley. You can figure out how to open these eggs, can't you? Huh? Come on, Bradley. You can do it. Mana, you're the expert. You're the expert. There she goes. There she goes. She's the expert. She's the expert. Mana's been doing Easter eggs for years, Bradley.
Yeah. Yeah. She's a good girl.
Bradley, can you say hello? Oh, here she goes. Watch her. Here she goes. She's got her Easter egg. Where's she going with that egg? Oh, she's going to take that egg and take it to her bed. Bradley, look. There's more stuff. Look. Here, Bradley. You've got to be able to figure this out. Open it up. Come on. Come on. Mana's not going to be around forever. Got to bite it. Yay! Bradley did it. Yay! Good boy. All right. Finally. Finally. Hannah. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hannah. Easter flowers are beautiful. Good going, Bradley. You finally figured it out. I think the dogs next door are upset because they didn't get an Easter basket. Grace, kitty, kitty, kitty. All right, Bradley. All right. Good Easter morning.